Maximize your brushing routine with SprinJene's new sleek white sonic toothbrush. With approximately 36,000 sonic vibrations, 15 brushing modes, a 5.5mm amplitude, and 80% bristle rounding rate, and quad pacer technology. This toothbrush will help you brush better to keep your pearly whites gleaming. In fact, it's 30 times better than a manual toothbrush for stain removal. A patented unlock and lock feature allows for custom locking of your favorite mode and cleaning intensity for a personalized brushing experience each and every time. Select your desired brushing mode. Lock in place with 2 fingers when all lights blink. To unlock, just hold 2 fingers simultaneously until all 5 modes blink. The smart built-in 2-minute timer eliminates the guesswork for the 2-minute brush time that dental professionals recommend. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery supplies 90 days of brushing on a single charge. SprinJene includes 2 brush heads and a travel case, so you can take it with you when you're on the go. Used in conjunction with one of SprinJene's ADA-endorsed toothpastes, your daily brushing routine just got a whole lot more smile-worthy.